Good morning guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we are just quickly going to show you a new retrofit for us. So we are now an approved VW and Audi workshop, which means that we can do a lot more stuff such as online activations for CarPlay, cruise controls and all this sort of stuff. So we've got 2013-14 Audi S3 with the normal indicator stalk and wants cruise control. Now on the newer A3 8Vs and other cars like that, so the TT etc, and the Volkswagen platforms, it's not just a simple case of removing the cowling, new stalks, code it with VCDS, code it with VAGCOM and all that. There is a lot more involved in it. So first and foremost, you obviously have to do the hardware element, where we remove the steering wheel, the lower cowling, the stalks, and retrofit this new one. So hopefully you can see it there. There's the new cruise control stalks just there. This isn't a how to do it, this is more just an explanation that we can now do this type of retrofit and show you what it looks like once it's done, how it works and all that. So that's part one of it in essence. The next part of it is you can't just use VCDS or VAGCOM as some people know it. You have to use ODIS, which is the online a diagnostic system that you can only use with Audi. So we've got the genuine Audi VW Group VAS tool. This goes into the OBD port, connects wirelessly to our computer, and using special codes that we've got a little key fob to gain access to the online Audi servers. We basically do the coding that way. We get a special document, which is an activation document. It comes with loads of information in it, and certain codes. They're called swap codes, I believe, and we do SVM, which updates basically the car and also the online database which Audi holds about this vehicle, so it knows that in the future that this has been a retrofit, it's been done properly. It's much like with App Connect with the car suitable. It's a similar sort of principle. So what we'll do is we'll take it all apart, we'll fit all the parts, we'll do the online activation of it. Like I said, it's not a how-to, it's just to show you the before and the afters for those that are interested, and we'll show it all working and go out for a little drive hopefully and be able to see what's on the screen. So we'll check in later and see how we're getting on. Okay, so we're back in the car. We haven't got much time to do a road test to show you all working, but in essence what we've done now is we've fitted all the components. Hopefully you can just see the stalk just through the steering wheel here, also down here as I'm going like that, and also you can see in the cluster just here we're currently on how much fuel we've got left in miles. If I push the stalk towards me, or sorry, go up, it will show the speed that I want to set cruise control at, and then you can just push set for 29. Obviously as you're driving down the dual carriageway or motorway or something like that, then you'll get the normal green light and you'll be able to be at say 50 miles an hour. You push the set button and it will carry on taking you on cruise control. So this is it, Audi A3 8V cruise control activation using ODIS online with the activation document. It's a very quick process, very simple process to do it. We can only offer this down here in Paul in Dorset due to the software and the system that we have to use. But if you want any more information, get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as always, thanks for watching.